Hello, dear students. So, today we are going to have exercises of the chapter money. So, let's start activity 3 because we have already completed till activity 2. So, here we have activity 3, which is addition. Alright, children. So, adding basically means what? To add two numbers, right? So, in money also, here we add two amount of money. For example, if we talk about first question, here we are being given with rupees 11.65 and rupees 22.45 paise, right? So one amount is this, one amount is this. Now what we have to do, we simply have to add them, right? So how we are going to do? Rupees, whichever number you want to write, you can write. So I am writing 11 only, 11.65. Then just below rupees we'll write rupees. Rupees के नीचे rupees आएगा. Then 22 point के नीचे again point. Then 45. Simply we'll add. Alright, so 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 4. Point के place पे point लगेगा. Children, take care of the thing that rupees, point सारे एक के नीचे एक आएंगे. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is rupees 34.10 paise. Alright. Coming on to next question, let's have one more. So children, this exercise have two kind of question. One I told you. So let's have one more part of it. Then I'll let you know the next part as well. So I'm taking D part here. I'm taking D part. So D part is rupees 44.50 paise and rupees 38.50 paise. So children, basically again we'll do the same procedure. Means rupees 44 means you have to write the numbers in a bit distance, because nahi to you'll get confused about where to write which digit. So first of all I'm going to write point ke niche wala point. Alright, and I'm going to start with the ones place. Obviously कोई भी चीज़ स्टार्ट होती है वंस प्लेस से स्टार्ट होती है, चाहे वो पॉइंट के इधर साइड हो या इधर साइड हो. ओके, सो लेट्स ऐड 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Point की प्लेस पे पॉइंट कैरी हियर. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 carry. 4 plus 4 is 8 and rupees के नीचे rupees. So our answer is rupees 83.00. If you don't want, look children, point के बाद अगर 00 है तो उसको आप सिंपली क्या बोल सकते हो? रुपीज़ 83. रुपीज़ 83 is the answer. Okay. So now moving on to next type of question we have. यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया होता है? यहाँ पे हमें पूरा वर्ड्स में दिया होता है कि इतने रुपीज़ एंड इतना पैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल let's take one question. Let's take one question of it also. We are being given with 36 rupees. यहाँ पे पूरा ऐसे हमें वर्ड्स में दिया होता है. 36 rupees 25 paise and पूरा ऐसे हमको वर्ड्स में गिवन रहता है. 48 rupees. Children, this question is a bit lengthy. Not lengthy actually. इसकी जो वर्डिंग्स है वो ज़्यादा लंबी है. So these two. Okay, it could be 3 also. ये 3 भी हो सकते हैं, but right now I'm taking 2 only. So अब हमें इसको सबसे पहला वर्क जो हमारे पास है वो है कि वी हैव टू राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रुपीज़. जैसे हमने पहले वाले में ऐसे रुपीज़ और पॉइंट वाले फॉर्म में लिखा था, दैट वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट. ये हमारा मेन टास्क है. सो 36 रुपीज़. सो रुपीज़ का साइन मैंने बना लिया. आई राइट 36 एंड पैसे को सेपरेट आई टोल्ड यू एक डॉट करता है. मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियोज़ में भी बताया. इफ़ यू हैवंट चेक दोज वीडियो, जस्ट गो एंड चेक. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू द लिंक. सो इट इज़ 25 paise. Then again and 48 rupees. So again I made the sign of rupees. 48 and 40 paise. Again point के नीचे point and 40 paise. What I'll do, I'll add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Point के नीचे is point. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Carry 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. So now our answer is rupees 84.65. So children, I hope you all got the concept that एक जो था वो हमें simply इस form में given होता है and जो next होता है वो हमें words के form में दिया होता है. Okay. So this is activity 3. We are going to do all the story sums together. Alright. Okay, never mind, we'll do it right now. So question number 2 is, you can read it from your book. It's page number 157 of Cordova book, Cordova Mathematics. Alright. So the question is, Mitali bought a book for rupees 125.50. Mitali bought a book of rupees 125.50 and a notebook. One is book and one is notebook. Notebook for rupees 42.75. How much money did she spend in all? उसने दोनों चीज़ों में how much money did she spend? So what we are going to do here is, what we'll do, we'll add, right? So the sentence we are going to write is cost of book. Cost of book is rupees 125 point, it's 125.50. And again, cost of book, notebook, I am writing it in short form because of less space. Alright, it's 42.75. Now total money spent, all of these are given in the book, in your question only. Total money spent, which we have to find out. So simply what we'll do, we'll add, because I don't have space, so I had to go for the next page. Children, I hope you all got this one. So now we are simply going to add rupees 125.50 and rupees 42.75. देखो पहले मैंने पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट लगा दिया, पहले पॉइंट के इधर साइड वाला लिख देते हैं 75, विच इज़ ईजियर. नाउ 42, यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर लो 42. इट विल बी रॉन्ग बिकॉज हमें कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना होता है, हमेशा वंस प्लेस से. 42. सो वील ऐड 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 is 8. Alright, point के नीचे point. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1. So the total money spent is rupees 168.25. Alright. Next question is your question number 3. यहाँ पे आपको दिया है, रजत received rupees something amount 1252.50 पैसे from his mother. देखो उसने कितने रुपीस मदर से लिए, 1252. दिस यू आर गोइंग टू डू बाय योरसेल्फ. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. इतना मम्मा ने दिए एंड रुपीस 1810.50 फ्रॉम फादर. ठीक है, इतना मदर ने दिए, इतना फादर ने दिए. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट रजत को टोटल कितने रुपीस मिले. हाउ मच मनी डिड ही रिसीव इन ऑल. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, अगेन द सेम थिंग, यू आर गोइंग टू डू addition, right? So children, we are going to get over with this class. You are going to solve this question which I gave you at the last. All right, so we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.